I'm just going to give you a demonstration of this desk lamp that at the moment I've got it on a cool white, the lowest setting in brightness, so I'm going to turn it up in the brightness. And now I'm going to go on to the second cool white light, and then I'm going to go on to the warm light, the first one, the second warm light, and the third warm light, and I'm going to adjust the brightness down for that. And also I'll show you the timer section for the green light for the 30 minutes and the blue, which is for 60 minutes. If you push it again, it turns the timer off basically. So I hope you have found this helpful. It's a very smart light that's good for the desk, for a work area.